I'm Mike Mastroianni with the Small Business Development Center. The Growth Wheel is an effective business planning tool that the SBDC uses, and it's effective because it's not only easy to use and thorough, it has everything a lending agency, an accountant, or lawyer may want, but also allows the user to include attachments like Excel spreadsheets. It asks you to answer questions in a few areas: business, financials, budget, profit margins, and planning. You can identify the mission and vision of your business, your product or service and categories, expected income from each area, your competition, and referral sources. You can also identify revenue, profit, budget, and cash flow. If you have a business, it will graph the P&Ls from the past, and if not, it'll project your financials for the future. There's also a to-do list that helps you create and track actions and decisions that you need to make and by when. You can get help in any number of areas, and the SBDC is the perfect agency to try to help you get the growth wheel and help you use it to help your business.